guys, welcome back to the garage build. So we've put a couple of blocks in since last time along these backs. They're different colour because we managed to get rid of some 4 Newtons because it's all getting painted, rendered on outside. So it doesn't really matter about colour, we don't have to match colour, and it's a lot easier laying 4 Newtons than it is 7. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this lintel in here. We've got one to put it back, and then this pillar to build up here, and then we're ready for to get roof on. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we don't know whether we're going to be doing the just getting timbers ready. We don't know what we're going to, well, if we're going to get it done tomorrow, but we'll try. So for now, we're going to get these in, get this done. We'll film this bit going in. I've measured door. It's a bit of a thing, and it's having to shut the door on, and we're not quite sure about heights. It's limited to 2.5 metres from ground level to top. We're going to get a little fall on it. We're probably going to put only a 9-inch fall on it, a block from one end to other. It should be fine with that metal roof because he wants this as high as he can so he can get this roller shutter in. The roller shutter's like this wide. It's going to be tight all the way around. As long as he can get in without banging his head, that's what we're going for. So we'll get guys out to have a look at that once we get it to a certain height, and then if it needs altering, we can just alter it a bit. All right, let's crack on with this. Definitely 120. Right about what we do. That block's the knot, I think. Yeah, that's it. That hadn't been knocked then. Right, well now, we've got it right. Let's see how far out of level we are. Perfect. I can measure. Oh God, that is heavy. Oh, wobbly.
Wobbler.
Wobbly.
Are you recording this one?
Yeah, pass it, tape. Got it. Got it. Let me just measure this first. That'll do it. Morning, it's the next day already. So we had a bit of rain yesterday morning, so we didn't get a great deal done. We got that lintel on and I just went home after that. I'd had enough. And then so we've still got lintel to put on the side, but it's raining again. It's predicted all day, so it's going to be on and off all day today. So we're going to try, I think we're going to pick some wood up in a bit, and we'll see how it goes. So it's a wet one today. We've got that one plate on. I couldn't film it because it's just chucking it down, but then it's gone a bit better now, so we're going to measure that. We'll get that on. Just got tent up low, protecting me, milk and coffee. So right, we'll crack on with this one here and we'll get it get it bolted to the wall there, and then as trusses will come down there. Got carried away yesterday. Look, put a block extra on, which I'm gonna have to probably knock off and recut on angle. Right, we'll get this on. Right, Tim, on that on level. Higher. Yeah. What we got? 2.5 metre. So I want to go another 100. So 2.6 will cut that up. Yep. Right, 2.6. Battery's dead.
Quick change.
That's lovely, that does. Bit of pine. So we just put a double wall plate on there, and we just set first one out. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put this roof on today, and then we'll sort that out tomorrow. Well, Monday when weather's a bit nicer. So we'll crack on and we'll get this roof on. So we're doing it like this, and then double them up like that, and then when panels go on we can screw wherever onto these, which is going to be easy, because last time when we did that roof at back of us, we were trying to line these exactly where panel went square, and we ended up moving them all because we don't know what size panels are. So do it like this and it don't really matter. But we've got a big twist on this one. I'll try and shove it, yeah?
Yeah.
God, it's a right twist, that. Nah, it's not good. Bit more.
Can't.
That's not bad.
Not bad now, no?
Nah, it's pretty straight, that. It's good.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to get this cut out so we can get this lintel in across here.
Badly fitting shoes are so on trend.
Solid.
can't get all the way in there, and it's not that little straight bit. Mate, my arms were hurt before I even started.
Monday morning.
Oh, nobody likes a Monday. Just think through, Mark. Only 4 more days, but it's Friday.
God, concrete's coming in an hour. We've got to get it whacked, get the mesh membrane down, get the mesh in. Let's get it done as fast as we can before it comes. Just made it, it's just backing up road now, so let's get this concrete in.
Alright, yeah.
Alright. Look, yeah, go a bit wetter with it if you want. But it flows a bit more. Well, that was just a crazy day. We're supposed to, we were only supposed to do it. We're going to get these in at Lintel and prepare that and get concrete in morning. Rang him up and he said, I can't do it this week unless you get it in next hour. So we've just been flat out trying to get it done. That's why I haven't done much filming. But we've got it in and that saves us a good half a day tomorrow. So I'm glad it's over with now. We can go home. And tomorrow we'll probably, I think it's going to be a dry one. So we'll pick some render up and start just getting this render on. Don't have to be out special. I'm not a renderer like, so. But I did this one, which looks alright. But I'm only doing it for a favour. Normally, if I do extensions and that, I just get people in to do it, professionals. But we only been a garage and stuff. He's asked me to do it, so we'll put a bit of render on. See if we can squeeze that back as well. Down that side, we get a bit on down there, then he can paint it up. Should be alright. Gonna set a nice shed there, and then we'll just be left with roof. He's ordered it. We've got about a week's wait on roof, so we'll get this rendering done. Probably go somewhere else for the rest of the week or wherever, and then just come back for a day and bob roof on. I can't. Probably only take a day, and then we might have to come back and fill this thing in when he gets this roller shutter. And we'll build that like a box section and clad it with some plastic or something so it covers roller up at top. That's the idea for that. Right, guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.